Welcome to Best RV channel. Now I'm Marty from Best RV in Torla, California. We're located in the central California on Highway 99. What's behind me is the most luxurious fifth wheel. We mean it. It is most luxurious fifth wheel. It's a brand new 2025 Redwood 401 LT. Redwood, when you tell me about Redwood, we're in the higher family. There's three different levels in the fifth wheel. So Redwood, we're equivalent to the Riverstone. We're equivalent to GRV. That's it. Let's go in detail. You can see it sits so high in the front compared to the other brands. This is 4 layers of clear coating. It's a true full body paint. This is not a paper. This is not a stickers. This is a beautiful paint, and especially, I like what they did between the gray and the white and the light. It's like a bluish. You look at it, you think it's a gray, but it's a bluish, to be honest with you. So it's a nice one-piece aerodynamic. Now look on the awning. They give you a huge power awning with LED lights. You have a floodlight LED as well. You have LED underneath the awning. They give you prep for 4 cameras. You have come already with rear camera view prep, but also prep also for the side. It's a hydraulic system. That's a big deal. It's not electric, so it could handle more weight. And then look how thick the doors. I mean, show them how thick this door. And this is painted. And again, you could raise it up if you want to. You could see it come with everything. Now, how you can tell it's a high end? Look how big the water filtration system. This is just a water softener for the fifth wheel. Another filter for the freezer or the fridge. Water manifold. You could control if there's any water leak whatsoever happen with you. I could come with that red switch knob and close the line and still use the unit. Some other brands you cannot. Central vacuum, and that's all the accessories. Also come with a cable satellite TV, so I could put a TV here if I want to. Awning light. This is interior. I could control the awning light from here. The step light. I could do all of that here. Plus you have double insulation in the floor. Look how thick the wall. It's a 3-inch wall. That's how show you this is high end, is the thickness of the wall. All other brands we sell is a 2-inch wall. This is 3-inch wall. Endless hot water heater, 4-step to get in. I really like it. Has the Redwood sign in the step, and then the Redwood tag over there. It's lit up at night. This is the model 401K. You can see the nice, beautiful paint. All the slide out has the slide toppers. This particular floor plan is a 5 slide out. You have 2 in the passenger side and 3 in the driver's side. This is show you it come with the 2+3. That's mean 2 years tip to tip, 3 years on the structures. Frameless window. I admire the paint job in this unit. Now how you separate high end? Look, the beautiful cap. It is aerodynamic cap, gel coated, one piece. The other people, they do just 90 degrees fiberglass. This is a strength cap with installation. Really nice Redwood lights up over there in the top, and it's come with a backup camera prep, receivers. You could handle up to 500 pounds, jet ski, small boat. Electric grill. So this one I could push the switch. I could pull my power cord. It's a 50 amp cord. We connect for barbecue if we connect drains. Then this is showing you the other slide outs. Actually 2 on the driver's side, 2 on passenger side. And coming over here, as you will see, the one-piece docking stations where you could do your auto levelings, cable satellite, another water filtration system. So you have a water softener and water filtrations. All the hookup is over here. Big board. I could put more stuff here if I want. It's already prepped for solar. Here's where you could add your battery pack. You can see all the extra installations. Additional solar prep. So if you decide to add more solar, you can do that. But I really like the front, what they did. They make a really rough textures because that's where the rock, and then they kind of separate it. This is a good deal. This box over here, people ask me, what's this? This is the transfer switch for your generator. They already given it to you because this unit has a generator prep and more storage. You can see here and there. And because you have a transfer switch coming over here, it's already prepped, ready for 5.5 LP generators. You could add it. You could tell it's a prep because you have the plug here. You can see the plug and you see the transfer switch. So it just matter to put it in and the muffler. And we could do that too here. Again, here's the 2 propane tank. Perfect, 30-pounder each. And they're in the front. Now let's go inside and show you what's 401 LK. What's all the nice features about it. As soon as you walk in the 401k plant, easy to get in. It's a 4-step with a big entry assistant handle. Here's how you could tell this is luxurious, this is super high end, this is just high, and then this is mid, and this is entry. There's a lot involved with it. First, the way how you could tell is high end is the thickness of the walls of the fifth wall. This is a 3.5-inch wall. Okay, second thing, the furniture. These is, you could see, is very thick, wider. This is house furniture, not RV furniture. And you have a height of it sofa here. Look how big these recliners. They're residential. And these ones, they're all electric. And again, when you plug it in 110, you could recline, turn the light, vibrate, massage, all of that here. And this floor plan, what I really, me personally like it, because it gives you a big separation between your kitchen, dining, living room, and bedroom and master suite. So when you're sitting here talking to your friends and watching a game or sitting over there eating, the wife, she's not in the middle of the living area cooking. This is another way, it's a high end. Look, the switches, it's more touchscreen. How you could tell also is a high end. All these shades are motorized. So to show you, if I come here, everything is digital, not like the other brand. And if I want to come here, I could do the slide, I could do also the shade, I could do retreat. Show them in the video how all these shades, by one switch, all of them, they're going up. Well, show me this on the other brands. They don't. Redwood, they do. Why? Because it's a high-end luxury fit. Now, the fascia here, this is solid wood, not paper. What do you mean by now solid wood? Yes, let me show you what it means solid. This door is a solid wood. It's not a paper. Okay? Even the fascia of the cabinet, if I go with the knife, and if you put here, you could see it's a, if you look inside, you could see the screw going that way. This is a wood. Now, the average one, it's paper wrap, to cut the weight and the cost. This is a solid wood. Even this, the fascia of the cabinet is solid wood. It's all finished counter, elbow, backsplash. Even the backsplash of this kitchen here or there, and I wish you could come and you show them, it's a tile. So look here, it is tile. It's not plastic. It is not imitation. It's really tile with thinset. You could see all this is pure tile, as well in the back there is the pure tile. Some people, they put it in and then they carry it as one piece, and then they put it, they stick it to the wall. Residential hood. This hood is the same hood you have in your house. It's not an RV hood. Look in the sink. You have water softener sink like a house, residential, rise faucet, the waterfall, the cup prints, the soap dispensers. Again, deeper sink. And that's what separates themselves from the other brands. That's what I'm saying when you see a Redwood and somebody bring you, oh, I can see Solitude or Grand. They're not high end. High end, there's 3 names. And then there's one even beyond that if you want to pay $4 million for a 5th one. But we're in the same family of Riverstone, Redwood, and DRV. That's the family you want to compare me. I mean here, full house residential dishwasher, not the skinny one. This is the the big one. And another thing, all these cabinets, self-closing. Okay. Oh, could you just come in here and show them what is mean by dovetail? This is a dovetail cabinet. It's not a stable. Other brand they do stable, and also self-closing. You can see all these cabinets. Look how big the storage. Even they give you another one here and one there. This is even the balance is not a paint, solid. This two-tone, I wish I have this one, the greenish cabinet with, white and the black redwood and the black stove. Oh, another thing, they how you could tell, they have a trim at the end of the cabinet. Other brand just 90-degree. They add molding. And then here, I love this spice rack. There you go, spice rack. So when you cook, grab spices, whatever you want. You have a 110 plug. USB to charge your phone while you're cooking. And this floor plan, I love the kitchen. Ladies, when you say kitchen counter space and pantries unclogged, that's the one. Prepping area on the left of the sink, right and left of the stove. All this area is counter space. And another plug in here. You want more closets? Show me. Show them how it's finished, the doors. Show them it's a solid wood. Show them it's a self-closing. Cooking pans, dishes, whatever you like, you put it right there. Solid wood, not a paper. There's a trash can here with doors. Now, this is what I really like about it is you have this door. Another spice rack next to your microwave, whatever you want to put it in. More storage. This is a 30-inch microwave. This, I call it the appliances, where I put a coffee maker right here, toaster, espresso machine, and so on, or a dough mixers. I could do all of this. And beside that, you have the nice fridge. It's a residential fridge with an ice maker. Samsung brand, good brand, not other brands. So that's what's separate. A fantastic fan with a remote control. So I could open this fan if I want to get the smell out beside the hood, or I could get a fresh air. Look, all these nice LED strip, very modern, contemporary. Going over here, you have the theater seating with the massage, hide a bed, and you have a nice table for 2 people, and this one is extended. Matter of fact, if I want to extend the table, I go over here. Voila, extend it. And then this table also extend more, also outside if you want. This piece, expand it too. Nice shelf, cell phone charger. Look at the step. This is a solid step. It's not a paper, not a plastic, not a wood. You have a full laundry, full bathroom for guests. And even the vanity countertop is solid surface. The other brands, they put composite. More linen sheets for the second bathroom. Look how big the medicine cabinet. Another fantastic fan. Porcelain toilet, and they're bigger. No issue for the knees. Another closet, coat hanger. That's a coat hanger. Once touch screen, everything. I could do lights, I could do, you name it, outside lights, slides, shades, control, everything. I could do it right here. Going to the bedroom, you see we have a nice king size bed, and this is a versatile bed. Another way, if I go this switch up, sorry. So if I go this switch up, I could recline the bed up, and I could get more room. I know the pillows will be coming down. But that gives you an idea on the versatile bed. I could recline it facing a 40-inch smart TV with a nice bench. I could use it to sit and tie my shoes. There are a lot of doors for socks and pillows. A closet or more shelves, whatever you want to look at it. And then another shelf here. A lot of doors. Love the handles. Wish I had little doors in my house. 6 handles, all this nice coloring. Believe me, tell me, this is not a 5-star hotel. This is a 5-star hotel bathroom. This is like Dubai Blink. Solid service. Nice modern. Mirrors for heads and hair with LED lights. And big medicine cabinet. Obviously, is going to be for her. And then another shelving. The guy, he's just gonna take this door only. More doors. Tell me, I have the same situations. She take everything in the bathroom. All the storage. And look how big the toilet. 1-piece shower. Has the 4 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy to sit in. Do your business. Glass shower door, so no water coming. 1 piece. Very contemporary, even the drain. And going over here, this is a code. This is a pure walk-in closet and a 5th room. So I have full walk-in closets where I could hang clothes over here, clothes over there. There's the 2 extra chairs. I could add more shelves, put my shoes here. Well, actually the whole will be my wife's shoes, and this area only my shoes. And you have complete stackable washer and dryer. Folks, this is not a 5th wheel, this is not a camping, this is glamping. This is 5-star hotel on wheels. This is beyond even 5-star hotels. This is most luxurious 5th wheel you could find in the market. Beautiful floor plan, big U-shaped kitchen in the back, middle living area, a bathroom guest in the middle, and a big bedroom with master suite and a walk-in closet in the front. Price, we have this brand new only for $134.99. Believe me, this is, I had a customer the other day try to buy a truck, he paid as much as this. This is a house. You could have a house on wheels only for $134.99 from Best RV. Come grab it. We have a price. We assure you, not even from Texas all the way to California, they could come close to our prices. We're in your backyard. We have no bogus fees, no hidden fees, and only we have it for $134.99. So you better jump on your truck, come to Best RV, grab this house on wheels, and go live in it.